What's up guys? Welcome to the podcast. Ito na yung last video natin sa series ng ating top 10. So meron kaming top 10 rookies, top 10 guards, top 10 wings or
Yeah.
forwards. Which you can check the channel. So ito yung last one. Top 10 bigs o mga
Yes.
big man sa PBA. So, si
Do I
Mario ulit
start? No,
as
you start.
usual.
I start first?
Share ko muna yung ano. Teka lang. Share ko muna yung
Gaga,
Canva
okay,
natin.
okay.
There you
Okay.
go. Ating favorite app. Wala akong commission
Shout
dito
out
guys
to
sa
Canva.
Canva. Pero kung gusto ni Canva mag-sponsor, why not?
Shout
All
out
the
to
more.
Canva.
Okay. Mario, ikaw naman, first one mo. Sino? Feeling hindi tayo mag-aara dito eh. Eh,
Bro,
actually, meron at one
there
point
aren't
na
that many
magpapare...
bigs in the league.
Actually, pero feel ko sa top 5, doon na tayo pare-parehas pala. Pero let's
Okay.
see. Tingnan natin, ikaw
Okay.
muna.
Number 5, number 10, Mr. Bo Belga. Mr.
Yun 10 mo siya?
Yeah. Bo Belga is
Tama
number
spelling,
10.
this is spelling ng bow, di ba?
Yeah,
It's
this was
bow.
telling about.
Ah.
A little low maybe,
Ah.
considering the rest of the talent in the pool, but I think the fact that he is obviously up there in age, but he's still a very good passer. He can score when he needs to. Pero yun nga, gets kind of attacked on defense. Not the best rebounder, but still one of the better players in the league at the center position because of how much Coach Yang loves him. I got Bo Belga at number 10.
Ito medyo weird yung number 10 ko, but it's Calvin Abueva. Calvin Abueva plays like a big kasi. Di ba?
Alvin Bueva.
Yeah,
All
with
right.
Calvin Abueva.
All right, all
Plays
right,
like a
all right.
big. All the more na he's been living inside the paint, na as patanda siya ng patanda. The hustle is still there, pero yung mga off-court issues talaga eh. It really gets to
Yeah,
him. Pero so, talent-wise, he's regressing na rin. It comes with age, guys, no?
yeah, it comes with
Pagdating kay
age.
Calvin Abueva. And gets naman, the beast, he's always
He's gonna be the beast
been
always.
I
It's
mean,
just
yeah.
like
Pero sinasabi ko lang na the Beast is, ito talaga laro niya. He's a big. He's an undersized big.
yeah.
Like, he could have, so ito if Geronteng, hindi ba si Geronteng parang ganito rin, 6'2 big, but it's Calvin Abueva na, kahit 6'2 siya, he's gonna thrive as a big.
Yeah.
So, di ba?
I miss the old Calvin days. Yung tipo, yung ano, when Calvin Abueva was the heart of Gilas Filipinas. I miss those days.
Oo, China
Pero
days,
may
nung
time yun, di
China
ba?
sila.
Yeah, yeah, may time yun. May time yun na Calvin was the heart of Gilas Filipinas. Obviously now age kind of caught up with him. He's not on my list personally.
Okay
Um,
lang.
because
Mahirap din.
I didn't really think of him as that good of as a center or as a big. But still, at his age, he's there. Just that, I don't know, man. Magnolia does not fit Calvin Abueva. Not gonna lie. That's
Number
the
9,
yeah.
yeah, Magnolia sa fit Calvin Abueva. Number 9 ko is Cade Flores.
Huh?
Cade Flores. Kate Flores is a big. He's not a
Yeah,
wing.
I
He doesn't.
know. I'm just saying, huh?
You wanted to be higher. Okay. Number 9 ko si Cade Flores. Double-double. Well, he could be a potential double-double machine right now kasi alanganin din ng playing time niya, 'di ba? With the batang pair. But
Holy shit.
this is just 49 season. By the 50th season, feel ko baka umabot siya top upper echelon ng bigs, no? When it
Bro,
comes to
I'm in shock. I-
na number 9 siya. You'll be more
no,
shocked sa next ko.
nakasama siya.
Nakasama siya. Okay, I don't know kung may
Yeah,
nakalimutan ba ako.
I
Kung may
don't.
nakalimutan ba ako. I don't know if I miss out anyone. Mas magago ka sa number 8 ko, pero number 9 mo muna.
Whoa there. Okay, that's bad. That's the first out of all the videos we've made so far. That is the
Kate
shocker.
Flores?
Yeah,
More
I
than
don't
Calvin
feel,
Abueva?
dude. For me, the people on my list, I think, are genuinely better. Anyway,
Sige,
number
number 9.
nine to me is the blocking machine, Brandon Bates.
Oh, master.
Brandon Bates,
Master.
master ang puta. The
Bakit?
the best, the
Master
best,
Brandon.
one of the best shot blocking bigs in the league right now. And at this point, because of the height limit of the imports, nagiging import stopper siya, which I absolutely respect.
In a way, tama.
And in that sense, I just watched him against Mike Watkins, by the way, where he kind of, to a certain extent, I won't say limited, but I will say he gave Mike Watkins a little harder of a time than you'd think. But yeah, that's what I have. He's a good rebounder. He has terrible free throw shooter, but there's something he needs to improve on for sure. Aside from that, good rebounder, good defense. I like him.
And yung mga drive ni Bolik, kuwang-kuha niya eh, no? Si
Bro, maganda
Bates,
siya.
timing,
One
galing
of the
mag-timing talaga
better.
sa blocks.
Maganda yung timing niya sa block. I'm one of the better. Parang siyang ano eh. Little shades of Japet without the offense.
Oh yeah,
But
with
all
no
in
offense
the
at all because
defensive.
Japet ka naman can
Yeah, that's a problem. There's
malayo.
just really a minimal offense from
Okay,
him.
yeah. Number 8.
Oh, my number 8. I'm number 8. All right.
Oh, snake.
I got Mr. Keith Datu.
Keith Datu!
Datu
Keith
at number
Datu,
8.
okay.
Keith Datu at number 8. Just because I love that Keith Datu is probably the best stretch big in the league right now. I don't know many others who
Okay.
are better than him at stretching off the floor. Good rebounder, can defend well. His inside game needs a little work, but then compared to everybody else in the league, I like what he provides on both offense and defense. Understands Coach Yang's system very well. I got him at number 8.
Okay. Number na 8 ko is Brandon Bates. Same reasons, no? Great defender.
Sabi mo
Uh,
dude, I have him lowering eh.
sino Brandon
I
Bates?
was like, yeah, you said kanina magagago ako sa number 8 mo. That's a good. I think he's
Hindi,
like number 8,
magagago
number
ka.
9.
No. Mas 7 pala, 7 pala.
Sa
Nagago ka
7.
sa 7.
Oh
Sa 7
boy.
pala. I just
Oh
checked my list
boy.
eh.
I hope
Same
it's who I
reasons,
think
so.
it is.
Brandon Bates, a champion, was a key reason why they beat
Yeah, it was a
SMB.
very key reason.
'Di ba? Kaya nag-champion yung Meralco. In
Yeah,
a way, unheralded
absolutely.
finals MVP rin to si Brandon Bates. Maraming unheralded na key players yung Meralco that time. A lot of players did their roles eh. That was a really fun final series, no? SMB
Yeah, very fun.
Meralco. All
I agree.
Filipino.
I agree.
Okay, 7 ko.
Going number 7.
Magagago ka sa 7 ko. Ralph Koo, baby!
Ralph
I got
Koo. Oh,
Ralph Koo. I love
there's
Ralph
you
Koo.
forgot people for sure. You forgot people for sure. There's no
Siguro may nakalimutan ako. Pero, youth movement,
Ralph.
baby, Ralph Koo. For me, high IQ player. Feel ko kung sa ganda na pag-utilize sa kanya talaga ng Hinebra eh. Wish he just had more minutes. Kasi I'm a big fan. Again, personal list lang naman natin to. We all have
Yeah.
our biases here. But I love Ralph who can shoot the three. Can, what do you call this? Assist from the high post. Ang ganda ng recognition niya where the players are. And I'm
Okay.
not the Hinebra fan here.
Yeah. That's why I'm kind of surprised. I thought I would have.
Nakakagago yung listahan natin eh. At least nagpahiras tayo kay Brandon Bates.
Okay, so do you think Ralph Koo is better than Keith Datu?
Fuck it, that was not even in my list.
What? My God.
This
Okay.
guy.
All right. All right. All
Oh,
right.
7 mo.
Number 7 is Justin Baltazar. Justin
Ooh,
Baltazar is number
Balti.
7. Just because we've
Okay.
seen very little of him, um, that's why he's
Ah,
kind of low.
Baltizar. Sorry.
I know at some point, he's gonna he's gonna be one of the best bigs in the league. But what he can provide, converge is really good. Shooting, spacing, good rebounder. I think he just kind of get used to playing against very good competition again because obviously he's been in the MPBL for a while now. But as soon, Justin Baltazar will be one of the top bigs in the league. He already is
Okay.
one. So like, imagine that, right? All right.
6.
At number 6, it's my boy, Poi Aram. It is
Oh.
Poi Aram at number 6. If
Bata pa.
anybody will contest Keith Datu as the best shooter in the league, best shooting big in the league, it could be Poi Aram if you ask me. Between him and Isaac Go, I don't have Isaac Go on this list because of his injuries, but Poi Aram, when Poi Aram is able to keep his cool for TNT, he's very, very important to that team. Um, he's able to stretch the floor, able to rebound well, and able to contest shots at the rim. And to be fair, TNT doesn't have that many bigs outside because of BGR's injury, right? So Poi Aram, I think, is a very important. That's why he's the top 10, one of the top 10 bigs in the league right now.
Okay. Mine is Justin Baltazar. Number
Baltazar.
6. I
Okay,
have
okay.
Balti. Same reasons, no? It could easily be a MVP candidate in the future. Two,
In the
three
future,
to
in the
four
future.
years from now.
Yeah.
Kasi, I mean, at marunong, he's in the right team. If there's gonna be a team na
Oh
gagamitin siya na
yeah,
maigi, sa conversion.
yeah, for sure. I agree.
Diba? Si Justin Baltazar can shoot the three, can post up, uh, what do you call this? Great post defense, and pag bumagal na yung laro niya, kasi yung laro niya from MPBL eh.
Yeah, that's
So
why I was
pag
saying, di pa
nakuha
siya
niya na nga
sanay. Di pa siya
to
sanay.
PBA, and it's a matter of when, not if. It's just a
Yeah,
matter of
it's a
when.
matter of when. I agree.
Mhm.
100%.
My fifth
What you got?
guy.
At number
Bo
five.
Belga!
Ang taas.
I
God,
have Big
ang
Bo. I think it's in
taas.
a way respect na kasi it's a guy that we grew up with.
Okay.
We grew up
Yeah.
with.
Yeah, we.
Still, parang nung all Filipino ata no 49 season, he was an MVP he was one of the MVP
He was one
candidates.
of the, yeah, I got you.
Oo. And still solid contributor. And I think may pagkaano rin to. Veteran respect. Was a champion. He was a champion way back with Ross then. Ross a long time with
Long time ago.
yeah, pero still like for
Yeah, I
me
get you. I get you.
and he still is effective. He was
Yeah,
able
yeah,
to make himself still relevant to this day.
yeah. Yeah, I see it. I see it.
And
I
a great
understand.
vet for the young boys. Kasi ang daming bata ngayon sa Ross. Youth
Oh
movement talaga
yeah,
sila. Great vet.
very good vet for the boys there.
Okay, fifth mo,
I'm number
Mario.
five, right? My number five is where am I at? Okay, my number five is Troy Rosario. Remember,
Oh, yeah, yeah. He's your big. Yeah, yeah. That's
yeah,
why I don't have Troy. Di ba,
exactly.
nilagay ko siya sa wings, guys, ha. Sa akin, si
Yeah,
Troy
Troy is
Rosario nasa
a wing
PBA
for you.
top
He's
10
big for
wings.
me.
Oo.
Honestly, something he never really needed, if you ask me, especially with the injuries to Isaac Go and Jamie Malonzo, and then trading Christian Stan Hardinger for Stephen Holt. Troy Rosario is exactly what he never needed. Really great at rebounding. Spot up shooter is very good as well. Still, not much game outside of those two. Good finisher at the rim when he's given the ball. But he can't really create his own shot. That's why he's at number five to me. Merely because everybody else from my one to four are good shot creators for themselves. Troy Rosario, I think, needs to be set up, but the way he's able to play defense, the way he's able to contribute on offense is why he's number five.
Feel ko yung 1 to 4 natin pare-parehas na.
Yeah, it has to
Ito
be.
na yun. It's just
It
a matter
has to
of
be.
saan ilalagay. Wait.
It's either I miss someone or you miss someone. Let's see.
Well,
Okay.
Troy Rosario ko nasa wings.
Yeah.
So,
So I think yung nagpalit lang I think so far is you
nilagay
have
ko lang
Cade
si
and
Calvin
Ralph.
Abueva
Oh, actually you
at
have
Kate
Cade,
Flores
Ralph,
sa top
and
10 ko.
yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
You don't
Anyway.
wait, but you
My
don't so
number...
you don't have Poy Eram in your top 10?
Wait, ikaw ulit pala. Wait lang. 4 pa. Ikaw pa.
Yeah, I know, but
Snake nga
wala kang
pala.
Poy Eram sa top 10 mo?
Meron. Hindi mo na... mamaya. Makikita mo.
May naiiwan ka. Sure
Wala
ako
akong
may
naiiwan.
naiiwan ka.
Wala akong naiiwan.
May naiiwan ka, bro. For sure.
Wala
Kung
gagi.
may
Wait,
kung
number
may
4 mo.
Poy Eram ka sa 1, 2, 3, 4 mo, may naiiwan ka. Okay,
Sige.
anyway. Number 4 is Ian Sanggalang.
Ay, gago na iwan ko kasi Ian
Oh, di ba?
Sanggalang.
Sabi ko sa'yo may naiiwan ka.
Okay, okay,
Imposible
okay.
wala ka
Makes
naiiwan.
sense. Nakalimutan ko si Ian
Imposible wala ka naiiwan,
Sanggalang.
man. Kasi
Wait,
Ian
wait.
Sanggalang
Kung
is...
gano'n, let me adjust.
Go
I
lang.
will just
Adjust.
move this. I will just move this. I'm just gonna fix... Guys, ibahin ko ah. Tatanggalin ko si Calvin Abueva.
Do it.
Tapos bababa ko lang. Bababa ko lang.
Go lang.
Kid, Bates, Ralph.
Imposibleng may... I was like,
I
no way,
forgot
dude.
Ian Sanggalang.
There's no way.
If I'm
Sa
gonna... Wait. Yeah, I cannot put Ian Sanggalang over this... Over my... I'm gonna put him here na lang.
Who was your five kanina? Poi? Ah,
No,
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 your
no, no,
five
no.
was...
Belga. So I just removed...
Okay. Yeah,
Ni-remove ko si... Paano to? Ni-remove ko si
Calvin.
Abueva. Ginalaw ko
Yeah.
lang. Ginalaw ko
Okay.
lang. Parang ginalaw ko
Okay.
lang listahan.
Sabi kasi may nakalimutan ka eh.
I
Imposible
can't
talaga.
put isang galang over number 4 eh. Well, again, personal yun ah. Personal pick
Yeah.
ko bakit. Anyway,
Okay. Ready.
I'm
My next
sorry.
pick, Ian Sanggalang. Best post-up play, second, actually no, third best
Check.
post-up big
Third.
in the PBA. Can create his own shot, good rebounder, kind of bad on defense, but who isn't at this point? Um, Not really the greatest rim protector. So I think Sanggalang and Rosario I could have switched, but I do truly believe Sanggalang is more important to Magnolia than Rosario is to Ginebra.
Oh
If
yeah,
Ian
oo, I
Sanggalang
agree
has a
din.
bad game, I don't think Magnolia plays well. So that's why I have Ian Sanggalang at four because of how much valuable he is for Magnolia.
Okay. Number 4 ko is Poy Eram. Poy
Yeah,
Eram
okay.
is my number 4.
Okay. Okay. It's fixing
As a
itself.
actually, ano no?
It's fixing itself.
Yeah, it's
Nabigla
fixing
talaga ako,
itself.
man.
Gets mo rin naman no, 4 to 6
Yeah,
Eram.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, for me, Eram kasi, great defender, can shoot the three.
Yep.
Minsan madali lang ma-affect ng crowd but he still plays well despite na kahit niya kinakantsaw niya yung crowd, naging champion pa rin.
Yep.
Multiple time champion na with TNT, no? Hindi lang siya
Champion na yun, nag-champion na yun.
yeah,
First
multiple time
season.
ama.
Oh, yeah,
Or
multiple time. Yeah,
multiple
parang.
Yeah, parang gano'n with TNT.
Yeah, I think
And
so.
sama kita pa rin ng rare. He's like 6'8", 6'9", long limbs.
Long limbs.
Yeah, great
Good
great
defender as well.
defender.
Exactly. Yeah.
And
You got that.
again,
You got that.
malaki tingin ko sa champions. Did Ian
Yeah.
win a championship already with Magnolia?
Ian, of
Sangga
course.
lang.
I think so. When they won, I don't know, has Ian Sanggalang been on
Yung
any
kasama nila si
MVP?
Romeo Travis, alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Was
Kasama
he
siya doon.
there?
Yeah. Andyan siya.
Yeah,
How
but
many
still, regardless. Alam ko champion na
Ian
si Sanggalang eh.
Sanggalang teams? Parang he hasn't been on many teams, dude. He's only been on Magnolia.
Yung nga, I'm asking na, naabutan niya ba yung Magnolia
Oo,
championship with
oo,
Romeo
oo.
Travis?
Oo.
Kasi
Naabutan niya.
nakalala ko yun eh, naalala ko yung Romeo Travis. Sabi ko, ito yung best, ano, sa parang ko yung season na yun, just because
Yeah.
Romeo Travis, best friend ni LeBron.
LeBron. Ganun na, bro.
But
Yeah.
yeah, still, I still stick by it, Poy Eram.
Yeah.
Forgot about
Okay.
Sanggalang, no? In my list. Sabi ko, parang, tama ka
Yeah,
si
I
Marvin,
was
nakalimutan
surprised.
nga.
I was surprised. Anyway,
Yeah, pero well, I don't
we
mind
probably
moving it
have the
kasi
same
ganito
top
rin lang
three
may
at this point.
listahan.
Okay. Who's your number three?
Uh, eto, sure ako, pare-parehas tayo dito. Number 3 ko is Justin Arana. I gotta put him at 3. I
Ooh.
gotta put him at 3. Again,
Ooh.
I need
Ooh.
same thing as sa wings natin. Yung same reason na Arvin Tolentino, I need to see you win in a playoff series. I need a playoff
Ooh.
series win,
Okay.
which could happen this conference with
Very
the
possible.
Commissioner's Cup.
Very possible.
So, that could propel him to number 2. Manalo lang siya ng playoff series, get deep in the playoffs, make, if umabot kayo ng finals, make the eventual champion bleed. Yun
Yeah.
lang. Okay na sa
Yeah.
akin yun.
Okay.
Great post
My
player. What else? Could have been a Gilas candidate pero si Coach Tim very traditional eh. If you're a
yeah.
big sa utak ni Coach Tim, you gotta be 6'9", 6'10",
Yeah, that's true.
minimum. Like,
Yeah.
that's the minimum. You gotta
Tsaka
be that.
kailangan kahit pa paano love threat ka kay Coach Tim eh. I
Yeah,
think.
but Justin Arana sa 6'6"
Yeah.
post
Si
machine
Junior lang
player
naman
pero
yung
ay, again,
naging
hindi siya magiging Gilas at this point. SEA
Yeah.
Games, why not, 'di ba? Kung
Yeah,
gusto
of
mo lang
course, SEA
tapon.
Games.
SEA
Yeah.
Games.
SEA Games, Dubai Tournament, ganun.
Oh yeah, nga, no, pero wala siya dun sa ano eh,
Speaking of
SGA 2.
Dubai Tournament, man, Abando and Ildefonso,
They're
I
back.
like it.
Oo, they're back.
I like it.
I
I
mean from
like
last
it.
time.
Welcome to the
I hope
PBA. You're in
Andre Blatch
Gabando
is
naman.
sarap pumayat si Andre Blatch. Yun yung wish ko lang, pumayat si Andre
I just
Blatch.
want one more good Andre Blatch run, bro. One more good Dre
Dude, if
Blatch
imagine
run.
mo kung nawala ng mga 30 pounds sa weight niya
Yeah,
last year, feel
that
ko
would be
okay.
nice. Pwede na
Mm.
yun. Yeah, pwede na
Anyway,
yun.
gagawa
Okay.
tayo ng SGA episode soon. Pag na-finalize na yung roster niya. Kasi they also have Jason Brickman. Brickman to
Oh yeah, I saw.
Cousins. They're
I
legit
saw. I
point
saw.
guard.
I mean, yeah, that's true. Okay,
Yeah.
number three, Japet Aguilar for me. It
Okay,
is
number 3 mo siya.
Japs.
Okay.
I have
Okay.
Japs at
That's
number
number 3.
three. The best shot blocking big man with Brandon Bates in the PBA right now.
Oo.
Mid-range shot automatic, alley-oop dunks automatic, good at the rim, good. I mean, decent rebounder, not the best rebounder he could be, but decent rebounder. He's number three because he fits Hinebra so well, and Hinebra would be a struggling team without Japet Aguilar. So again, very valuable sa akin ang kung gaano kaka-importante sa team mo. And Japet Aguilar, once C-Stand left, everyone assumed they were like, what the fuck? Why would you pick Japet over C-Stand? C-Stand is the MVP candidate. Why are you picking him? Why are you giving him away? And now nakita nyo bakit. Kasi Japet Aguilar is also an MVP candidate in that aspect.
Number 2. I'm assuming.
Number two is Justin Arrana.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
Yep.
Yeah.
Same thing you said. I won't even repeat anymore. The best, second best, maybe even the best post-up player in the league in terms of footwork and skill. Free throw struggles, no shooting on the outside, there's still problems, but what he provides inside is absolutely insane. That's why I have him at number two.
At sa PBA, gagana naman yung skill set niya na
Yeah,
ano eh.
exactly. Number
Number
two
2 ko,
one.
Japet Aguilar. Duh.
Yeah. Yeah.
These are interchangeable. Again, I've been really consistent with ano eh, no? Who won? What have you done
Yeah.
in your career? I
Yeah.
mean, si Japet, for all the times na binasag natin siya sa podcast na to, for objective reasons, for
Yes.
all objective
Not just me
reasons,
being a hater, because
mm
I love Japet.
so, I mean, tama yung mga arguments natin eh. Kasi kung Hinebra fans
Yeah.
na nagko-comment, hindi man lang tayo inaro sa take natin.
Yeah.
Alam nilang, yata. Medyo ano.
Guys, everybody knows naman yung mga problems ni Japs. Alam naman ng mga tao yun.
Yeah, even diehard fans.
Yeah.
No, they're not blind. They're like,
Yeah,
yeah, oo, tama nga.
walang blind sa mga problema ni Caps.
Tama ka dun, kuya.
Oo nga, may problema nga. Yeah, we alam naman. It's very obvious naman with Jap sometimes.
And at the same time, napagod rin siya eh. Wala na sila bang big eh, no? Yung
Yeah,
kalaban
dude.
nila TNT.
Mag-isa na lang siya. What
Pagod
else
siya,
can he
men.
do?
Sila ni, imagine mo, Brown, ni ginagawang center.
Yeah.
Babasag, ano talaga yung
Lapad
katawan
ka
yan.
talaga, Gagi. But when Isaac Go comes back, watch out.
O, sabay-sabay natin sabihin yung number one natin.
Okay.
One, two, three. From the NLEX Road
Road
Warriors,
Warriors, Brandon!
Brandon Ramirez! Joke lang. He just had a good game, guys. Ang ganda ng laro niya, nung
Guys,
against.
I am such a big... Joke lang to, by the way, guys.
Joke lang to,
Isipan nyo.
Brandon Ramirez.
Isipan nyo, ano talaga.
Okay lang. Okay lang. Okay.
Alam naman natin, guys, Junmar Fajardo yan, number one.
Oh,
Alam
yan na
naman
yung ano
natin,
natin. Yan yung number
alam
one
yan ng
natin.
Brazil, alam yan ng Dominican Republic, alam yan
Alam ni
ng
Kat.
Georgia,
Alam ng
alam
Dominican
ni Kat
Republic.
yan, alam ni Goga, alam ng Latviang Bertans na yan. Everybody knows it's Junmar Fajardo. But just a random, before I move to Junmar, I just want to shout out Brandon Ramirez, the guy
Oh.
who will save the NLEX Road Warriors.
Pero
Guys,
dude, legit big talaga, no? Floor
he's a big,
space.
guys, I always tell Nico this. Always. Always, always. NLEX just needs a big. And at least, kahit pa paano, meron na silang big ngayon with Brandon Ramirez, who for somehow, some way, randomly had added a three-point shot.
Wala ba sa
Which,
Pampanga, girl? Wala siyang ganun sa
wala siya,
Pampanga.
hindi rin na sa
Ah,
Pampanga.
hindi siya utilize na sa floor
Type presence
spacer.
na yun sa Pampanga. Well, to be fair naman,
Kinagulat ako may tres kanina. Sabi ko, that's two threes.
nabigla
Sa
rin ako.
napaka-natural. Hindi
Yeah,
yung pilit.
nabigla rin ako. Medyo cute lang yung shooting form niya.
Pero
Uh,
alam mo yung pinapractice niya eh. Hindi yung
yeah,
shit, wala na
yeah.
oras.
Dude, I, I'm excited for Brandon Ramirez in the PBA. Honestly, if Brandon played more games, he would probably be in my top 10. But because he only played
Siguro 10
kanina,
natin.
yeah. Anyway, so Junmar Fajardo, what else
Yeah,
needs to be
Junmar.
said? Um, in the GOAT conversation of
Could
PBA play,
arguably the GOAT. Arguably the GOAT.
arguably is the GOAT, right? Um, an SMB franchise who would be in literal shit without Junmar Fajardo, di ba? And skill-wise, mid-range, three-point shot, layup, free throw, dunk, kaya niya lahat. Defensively, di mo siya ma-atake ganun kabilis. And rebounding dominant as fuck. Good passer pa rin, even excellent passer at this point. And marunong siyang sumama sa team. Junior Fajardo, far and away, the best big in the PBA. Probably for the past how many years? How long?
Ever since
How old am
2
I
year,
now?
hindi
20
naman, 2 to,
something.
ever
So
since
he's been the
rookie, mga
best
2 to 3
big.
years from his rookie year, mga ganun.
Yeah. So he's been the best big for maybe mga 10 years now.
Kayo guys, sino yung top 10 bigs nyo? Comment nyo lang down below.
Yeah.
And pagdating natin ng 50K, hopefully na we can reach it this year. I have a good feeling kaya. Try natin mag
Yeah,
100K. Let's
hopefully.
aim high. Kasi maging consistent naman kami ni Mario till the end. And
Yeah.
ano tawag dito?
Okay.
Uh, Again, hindi naman weird yung list namin. Just si Troy Rosario lang yung ano. Kasi I consider him as a wing. Mario consider him as a big.
Yeah.
Pero kayo, let us know. Kung wala si Junmar Fajardo sa number 1, yung ewan ko na lang.
Oo. Guys, kung naglista
Ewan,
kayo and wala si
ewan ko
Junmar,
na.
wag niyo na i-comment. Mali yun.
Pero, kung si Brandon Ramirez sa number 1 yung, sige,
Sige,
ipipin ko pa
wala
yung
kami.
comment.
Guys, only two other people can be number one aside from Junmar. Either Brandon Ramirez or James Laput. Nobody else aside from those two I will accept. Those are the two
Yeah.
loves of the podcast.
And as always, guys, for those on YouTube, like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah.
Huwag nyo as always helps out the channel. We're aiming for 100K this year. Happy New Year pala ba? Nag-Happy New Year tayo sa mga guys, no?
Nag-Happy New Year.
Simula, first video natin.
For sure.
And then, for those on Spotify, follow, 5-star rating. See you guys next time. Peace!
Bye-bye.